A federal law passed in 1968 requires that any community that participates in the National Flood Insurance Program, NFIP, make flood insurance available to its residents and business owners. The NFIP is administered by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA. Flood insurance covers damage caused by flooding, including water that flows over land from an overflowing body of water. It does not cover other types of water damage, such as wind-driven rain or damage from a broken pipe. Most standard homeowners insurance policies do not cover flood damage. That means if you live in a high-risk area and your home is damaged, you will likely have to pay for repairs out of your pocket unless you have flood insurance. As the climate continues to change and weather patterns become more erratic, it's important for homeowners to know their flood risk and consider purchasing flood insurance. Homeowners should consult with their insurance agent to determine if they live in a high-risk area and if their mortgage lender requires to have one. Even if you're not required to purchase, it may be a wise investment given the potential for flooding. While no one can predict the future, by understanding your risk and taking steps to protect your home, you can help minimize the impact of flooding should it occur.